it's Ashley from Naughty Tree Reviews, and today we're unboxing Tea Box Express. If you're not familiar with Tea Box Express, it's a monthly tea party in a box. Each package contains 4 to 6 items, carefully curated, very fun, loving it. So this is, I'm guessing, the June box. I'm always, as usual, I'm late. Psst, get out of the plant. Come on. She's not even wanting to be in the video. She just wants to be eating my plant. All right. So right here is everything that we received. That's for you. You can play with that. That's just for you. All right. Right on top, I see some of the Flying Bird Botanicals. This is Ancient Sunrise Caffeinated Tea Blend. This is a rare black tea blended with leaves from tea plants as old as 2,000 years old. Ooh, I can't wait to try this. Brew Peace. I love that idea. Ooh, how many are in here? I'm trying to see. I don't know. But we're going to find out in the full review. If you want to see that, I'll link to that below. All right. Next we have Hep Salt Company Gourmet Sugars. This is a raspberry sweet infusion. Ooh, I love these. These are actually, I know that they're for tea, but these are also great for cocktail rimmers. I have a rose one somewhere. It was amazing. So if you like to entertain, this is a great, and they're very pretty, the color, to like rim your glasses. All right, then we've got, these are both from Grayston Bakery. I've actually eaten some things from them before. This is a brown sugar blondie. Eat brownies, change lives. And then this is a vegan fudge brownie. Eat brownies, change lives. So there is that. So there's a blondie and a brownie. And these, okay, so here's their philanthropic little catch. Through open hiring, we provide jobs to people with barriers to employment and the service to help them thrive in their community. So they help people who need jobs and things like that. So that's really cool. And that now we're down to our final item. What shall it be? Loose tea measure. Ooh. So, oh my gosh, this is so cool. So it goes by the kind of tea you want. If you want a really strong tea, it tells you how much. If you want a really weak tea, if you just want a little flavor to your hot water. I'm not going to open it right now because I can't get it open. But here's an example to see. Isn't that neat? Ooh, I can't wait to try this. Yay! So that is everything that I received in my tea. Clicking, not my plant. Everything that I received in my Tea Box Express. This is an amazing subscription. If you drink tea, you need to try it out. It's wonderful. I love everything that I received. I cannot wait to try this. I'm super, super excited. I wonder what it's going to taste like. What do you think it's going to taste like? I don't know. If you want to find out, check out the review. I will also link to Tea Party Express. Tea Party, oh girl, Tea Box Express below. So if you want to check them out, you can. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.